How to customize or change your Snapchat Snap Streak emoji. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Snap Streak emoji on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, you want to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you do so, you want to tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner and then scroll down. Now you want to head into the option that says customize emojis. Here you can see customize emojis below pixie option. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see you can change the emoji for super BFF, BFF, besties, BFs, and there you want to look in for Snapstreak. You want to tap on it and now you can see the default Snapstreak emoji. You can simply switch it to any other emoji that you wish to. So I'll just change it to this. And if I head back here, now you can see my streak emoji has changed. So this way you can change the Snap Streak emoji on Snapchat easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.